The 2025 edition of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 arrives in India as a continuation of a legacy that dates back to the 1950s, yet it brings the kind of refinement and practicality that modern riders demand. With its unmistakable vintage appeal blended with contemporary engineering, this bike represents one of the rare machines that can draw a nostalgic glance while delivering a capable everyday ride. From the first moment you see the teardrop fuel tank, classic round headlamp and sculpted fins to the moment you twist the throttle, the Classic 350 evokes the essence of motorcycling tradition while remaining firmly relevant in today's market. Mechanically, the Classic 350 uses a 349cc single-cylinder air and oil-cooled engine that churns out roughly 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of torque as listed for its latest iteration. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox and EFI electronic fuel injection, the engine delivers ample low and mid-range punch suited to both urban use and longer rides. Though it may not sprint ahead like some high-revving sport machines, what it lacks in outright performance it more than compensates in character and presence. The wide torque band means you're seldom hunting gears. The Classic 350 simply pulls effortlessly when you open the throttle. What emerges is a riding experience that feels calm, yet purposeful, tailored to riders who value the journey as much as the destination. One delight of this bike is how it frames its performance within its character. You'll appreciate the familiar throb of the engine at idle, the gently rising tone as you accelerate, the grounded feel of the well-weighted clutch, and the assured response when you shift. Ride quality is aided by relatively simple but effective suspension, telescopic forks up front and twin shocks at the rear. The setup isn't ultra-sporty, but for the Classic's mission it achieves what matters: absorbing bumps, maintaining composure, and carrying the rider in comfort. Manuals point to a curb weight around 195 kg in some listings for the subcontinental version, which is manageable given the bike's generous ergonomics and upright stance. What makes the Classic 350 particularly special in the Indian context is how it bridges lifestyle and transportation. For many riders, a Royal Enfield isn't just a way to get from A to B, it's a badge of identity, a social statement, a part of weekend rituals and informal rides. The 2025 model leverages this cultural importance while injecting enhancements such as LED lighting, updated colors, and improved instrument cluster and modern switchgear to keep up with expectations. These refinements ensure that while you're buying into a legacy, you're not sacrificing convenience or capability. Visual aesthetics remain one of the strongest